Hey, this is the DIY Magician with another grab bag special. We go to thrift stores and we find the grab bags, we bring them back here, we open them up, and we have fun in the process. So hang on, we'll be right back. Hey, this is a special grab bag special, or a special, I don't know. It's a grab bag special, but it's just one item and it's not really a grab bag. But I'll tell you what it is. It was 99 cents. It is the Littlest pet shop. It's a little stage. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on a little show for you just in a moment here. There are going to be some amazing things happening if I can do it right without them falling over. This is the Littlest Pet Shop. You ready? Whoops, I don't need this little guy. Theater show. You ready? Doot, 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 doot. Come on, don't fall. Don't fall. It's the Littlest Pet Show, or Littlest Pet Shop. Did I make it? Theater. Look at this. Ready? Where is it? Did it turn on? The light turn on? Yep, there it is. There it is, guys. It's the Littlest Pet Shop outdoor theater with a light on top, just like that, so you can put on your own little shows right there on your own little stage. Awesome. And they all fall down. Hey, thanks for coming along, guys and gals. For those of you who have been here before, thanks for coming back. For those of you who are new to the channel, please subscribe. And this is the DIY Magician again with a grab bag special. One item with a bunch of little figures there. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye now.